Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Ofieli family. On our previous video we showed you two different designs of tie-dye that we made and the stuff we used to make it, and we're going to be using the same product, the same we're just going to do a different design. Like I explained on our previous video, this is how it looks like. In case if you want to buy it, it can look differently, depends on the store. I bought mine from Walmart here in Canada. So we're just gonna mix it with water, just water, and then we shake it very well before using them. And I'm gonna be doing a different design from this book, so keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our video. To our returning subscribers, God bless you for always coming back to watch our videos. So let's get into this video. Enjoy!